Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so excited because I cannot wait to find out what is in this month's May's Boxycharm. I can't wait to see which variation I got. There are so many out there and I have no idea. I never got a spoiler of any type this month. I mean, I saw that you could get this or you could get this. You could get this or you could get this, but I never saw, they didn't email me anything. Sometimes they usually email you and like, if you want to know what 3 of your items are, click on this, but I didn't get that email this month. So I have no idea. There are some variations that I personally would consider better than others, but they're all good. So let's get in here and see what I've got. In case you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription that is $21 per month. I will put my link below if you are interested. Every third month they do a Boxy Luxe, which is $49.99. And instead of getting the 4 to 5 full-sized items, which you get monthly, in that one you get 8 to 9 full-sized items, so it's always very exciting. All right, let's get in here and see what is in my May Boxycharm. So when I open it, that is what we see. What do we see? I'm already happy. I'm already happy. Okay, we have our card that tells us this month's theme is Make Waves, and on the back it says what all of my goodies are. I don't know what they are yet. Let's look. I'm already thrilled because one of the first variation options that they had was you would either get the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble facial cleanser, which is what I got, or there was a First Aid Beauty moisturizer that you could have gotten. But this is what I wanted so bad. So I'm so excited to get it. It's such a pretty box. It's all glowy and nice. All right, let's get in here and see what the bottle looks like. Oh, the bottle is cool looking too. I'm way too excited about a facial cleanser, right? Too excited. It's like tie-dyed. Let's see what they say about it. It is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. But gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, SLS, SLES free. All skin types approved. And it has a value of $28. So this alone is $7 more than the cost of the entire box. Let's see. Is it open? Yes, it is open. So it is a white gel. Let's see if it has a scent, because that can be irritating for my skin sometimes. Just very lightly. Actually, it smells a little bit like, okay, you guys are going to get tired of me saying, this smells kind of like, and then saying something weird, but this smells kind of like Elmer's glue to me. Okay, I'm just saying. But it smells fine, and the smell dissipates really quickly, actually. I can't smell it anymore. I cannot wait to try that. That is one of the things in the variation that I wanted. Actually, it's the most important thing because I got on and looked at the moisturizer from First Aid Beauty, which looked fantastic actually. And I'm sure many people will get it and will be very happy to receive it. But it had, as I recall, licorice root extract in it. And that is one of the few random ingredients that I can't use. And they seem to be putting it in everything these days. This is, oh, well, this will clear things up. I'm going to try not to get too excited here. This box is variation 1. I don't think I've ever gotten variation 1 before, so let's see what's next. Dose of Color, L'Angelou Liquid Matte Lipstick. I'm so excited about this variation. Oh, the color looks fantastic. I've never had a Dose of Color lipstick, so I can't be one of those people that's like, oh, it's so nice and I love it and I'm so glad I got this. It has a big doe foot. I don't know if you guys can tell. She seems fatter than usual. And, oh, you know what? I'm going to put this on here in case I didn't get all of that. Oh, that's a nice dark color. It is nice, but it looks like it's kind of a bluish red. Can you guys tell that it's bluish red instead of orange red? That is going to be so pretty. We'll see through the course of this if it dries down. I don't know. Like I said, I've never had a Dose of Color, but it's a really, how pretty is that? I love that packaging. It is so pretty. Let's see what the paper says. Dose of Color Liquid Matte Lipsticks. Your new Dose of Color's liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries into an ultra comfortable matte finish, and it's worth $18. So we'll leave that and see how it dries down. You know, sometimes I can tell on my hands. There are some that you put on your hands, and even in your hand, you can tell that it's tight. This is almost dry already. Next, I have the Eye Luster Creamy Eyeshadow from Ciate London. And it is color Cupid. This is one of those ones that is very glittery and shiny. And when I saw it, I felt very intimidated by it. But I watched them, oh, this is really pretty. I watched them use it online. And she showed that you can not only apply it by using your fingers, but one girl took it and she put it on, and then she took a blending brush and she kind of just kept going over it and blending it out, and it made such a pretty eye look. Oh my goodness, it's kind of a duochrome where when I look at it straight on, it has a pinky purpley look, but when I turn it to the side, it kind of has, oh yeah, a full-on gold look. I hope I can capture that for you guys. Can you tell it changing? I hope that you can see the change. That is so pretty. Let's see that I've had it on a minute, how it blends out. Oh, it does. It blends out so nicely. Let's see. Can you guys see? Yeah, see how it just blended out nicely? That's so pretty. Even if you don't want it as a whole over eye look, done in the corners and kind of, it's gonna be so pretty. So it says about this nice eyeshadow, Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting, shimmery eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage and luster, or blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. And it has a $22 value. So that's fantastic. Go ahead and wipe that off so we're ready to swatch something else if there's anything else to swatch. It's folded over, so let's see what's underneath. Oh! Two things. Next, I have a Bodyography Midnight Blue eye pencil. It's just a good old-fashioned, wish you had a sharpener blue eye pencil. I have been using the waterproof ones that I got. I got two, one from Mally and one from Laura Geller, and they're both fantastic. So, you know what? I'm not even going to swatch this, and I'll set it aside for somebody else because I'm never going to use this. So there's no point in me swatching it and ruining it when somebody else can enjoy it. The paper for the eyeliner pencil says that it is vegan, cruelty-free, and antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. I promise you, it says lips. It is an eyeliner pencil, but it says lips, and it's blue. So we're going to assume the word lips is where they fell down on the job. And last but not least, I have the Allure Colorette Blush Trio in Fair Light. I am so excited I got the Fair Light. I don't know whether they used our profiles or they got incredibly lucky and right in sending me this. I'm going to assume that they used our profiles. And my three colors are Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher. Oh, they're so pretty. They're still, oops, the little paper fell down. They're still very warm, but they're very pretty. This is probably the most useful for me. Yeah, I don't see how will be able to use this one at all, because although it is light, it is still very orange. And then there's this, but let's swatch them and see how we do. This one is Castaway, very creamy. This one is Paraiso, unless I'm saying that wrong. And this one is Scorcher. Oh, so they're very lightly pigmented. You know what? I take it back. I can probably use them all. I had no idea how lightly pigmented that would be, and that's with my hand swatch. It's going to be even lighter with a brush. I said that I thought I could probably use these two and not this one, but now that I've swatched them on my hand, I think I can probably use these two, and this is the one that actually is more gold. So that's the one that's probably not going to work as well. But it's a lovely color. It might make a really nice eyeshadow. So that is variation 1 of the Boxycharm box for May that I received. The Allure Blush Trio, the Glam Glow Cleanser, the Dose of Color Liquid Lip, the Ciate London Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and the Bodyography Eye Pencil, which I now want to call a lip pencil because I read it. And these colors are fantastic. I am so happy with that. Can you see them from that far? And then, oh, this dried down. It doesn't feel tight, and I don't know, because you can see I just rubbed over it and there's some color on here, so I don't know that it would, if I had a wine glass here, I don't know that it would pass a wine glass dry down test, but it is still pretty dry. But I probably like it not completely dried because it's not going to give you that tight feeling. So I am super thrilled that I got variation 1, and these are the products and the colors that I got. And I can't wait for next month because it's Boxy Box. Thanks for coming by, guys, so much. I am so thrilled with this box, and I cannot wait until the June Boxy Lux. That's going to be even better. We've had some spoilers, and they look fantastic. I think there's even a blow dryer in there. Travel size. But that was a good spoiler to have, because if you get FabFitFun like I do, you knew not to pick the blow dryer, so it was really good information. So please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put my next video up. Let me know below, do you get Boxycharm? Did you get this variation? What variation did you get? With variation 1, does everybody, I don't know the rules, does everybody get the same colors within the same variation, or do you just get the products? Let me know what you got. Talk to you guys soon.